Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mirror Neuron, which means watch and learn. And today we are going to show you the code for the daily coding challenge 4 solution. We have given a detailed description that how we try to solve it, and today we are also going to show you the code that we have written in Google Colab. But before that, I would like to share two corrections that has been pointed out by few members in our channel. The number one point was I kept telling in the explanation that we'll be doing writing a for loop. So I have written something like this in our solution for h in range 4 in this case, right? And for w in range 4 and so on, right? I kept saying that horizontal and width, and I want to correct it here. So by h I obviously meant the height, but I kept saying it horizontal, and that might have led into some confusion, which I wanted to correct in this video. And w is width. So basically one is the for loop for this direction and another is the for loop for this direction. So when I say h, I meant height, and for w I meant width, but I kept saying horizontal and width, which typically might seem similar or same. That is the first correction I wanted to do. And the second correction is somewhere in the video I have written my 2D matrix something like this: 1 1 0 and 0 1 0 and then 1 1 1. So this is wrong, because what I meant was, this is the correction. So I meant this matrix, because I kept using the same example but I made a typo here. So this is 1 actually, and this is the correct one. Alright, so this is the correct matrix while I was explaining the video solution.
Okay,
Alright,
so now what we are going to do is whatever I have explained in the yesterday's solution, the theoretical approach, and I've also written some workflow that we should be using in order to write the code. If you have been successful in writing that code, then congratulations. Otherwise, here is the piece of code that you should write. Of course, I don't say that this is the best way to write the code. There could be other possibly better solutions, and so you might want to look into that. I'll just correct this number 9 here, probably it skipped in from somewhere else. Okay, all right, so I asked my pets to keep a check on the code, but they are not doing what they're supposed to do on the very top. Okay, just kidding. All right, so this is the piece of code for the function. All right, and I'll just run it so that you can also see that it is working. And then I'm using a original array, and I've passed a 6 by 6 matrix. And when I call the function confsum with this orig as a parameter, I get a value 19. So if you are getting 19, if you are also getting 19, then your code is correct and it matches with my result. So that's why you can verify. Otherwise, you can pause this video here. I will also try to upload the code in a GitHub repository so that you can directly use the code instead of looking in my screen and then typing it, which is of course a obsolete method. But I will try to do that as soon as possible for all the daily coding challenge. I'm trying to find some time to do that and set it up, but rest assured I will do it and also share the links. But in the meanwhile, if you really like my channel, please share your comments and feedbacks, and also I would really appreciate if you would share and subscribe. Till then, you have a great day, and I will also try to post the daily coding challenge 5. And till then, you take care and stay safe from coronavirus.